Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just received this in the mail. I got it from Amazon. I'm gonna go ahead and link it down below. And I just want to show you guys how it works. It's gonna be my first time actually trying it. So I'm like, you know what? I might as well make a video for you guys so you guys can see how it works too. It's so pretty. Just like look at the shimmer in that. It looks so cute. And I think it's gonna look good on. So let's see how it looks. So for some reason, I have a really good feeling about this. So let's go ahead and try it. I'm going to put it on my chest, my shoulders. Oh, I think it's locked. Okay. It's really like, can you guys see that? It's so dark. Kind of scared. It smells so good. Oh my goodness. It smells really good. You guys, I don't know if you guys can see that, but oh my goodness. So I only did this shoulder and then my chest. So can you guys see a difference between the two shoulders? Oh, now you can see. Oh my god, do you see that? Do you see that glow? Guys, I just put it on my chest and my shoulders. And what in the world? In the sun, it's so freaking shimmery. I love it. Can you guys see that? This would be, oh my god, you guys, on my wedding day, I am wearing this. On my wedding day, I'm wearing this. I don't care what happens, you guys. And I don't think it transfers. I'm like pretty sure it does not transfer, but I'm gonna research more about it because yeah, I can't have like a dark tan on my wedding dress, but I am so obsessed. You guys, is this even real? Oh my god. How amazing. I should put some on my face. Maybe like right here. Because I have some on my hands. Do you see it? Oh my goodness. Unbelievable. Everybody needs to go and get this right now. You guys need to go get this right now. It's from Amazon and I'm linking it down below because I want you guys all to try this. Oh, all summer I'm going to be using this. All summer. Stay tuned for more videos, guys. Love you. Bye.